So
we
are ready to eat. Well, you can tell us what.
We got snow crabs and what are they called again? Black mussels. We got corn, potato, and sausages.
Yes. And today, while we do our mukbang, we are going to be talking about school and bullies, because there's been a lot of bullying going on. So we are going to talk about that, see what's going on. Oh my God, these things do got eyes.
I just said.
Oh no, they ain't no eye. They ain't no eye.
I'm finna say.
Why would I eat that? I don't eat mussels. I'm strictly a crab leg, shrimp type person. Okay, so I'm gonna start with our
crab legs. Food. Tell me how it tastes when y'all get done. Oh yeah, hey guys, I'm on the side of the camera.
So Jayla, what's been going on in school?
In school, at first, like in first year of school, some people keep on calling me big nose, like my because I got me a big nose. But now they start being nice.
Yeah, because you big.
And then this lady named Miss Ross, she get on my nerves a lot.
Don't do that. Okay. So how did that make you feel when people call you big nose?
Sad.
People used to joke me about that too in school, but I mean, there ain't nothing you can do about it. You just got a big nose. What about you, Tim? How you?
On the bus, somebody called me a rock head.
What's a rock head?
I mean,
with your head shaped like a rock?
My head did not shape like a rock.
Why would they call you a rock head?
I don't know, because they were being mean to me. His name is Amon.
How old are you?
Maybe 8 or something.
Aren't you 7?
Yeah, he may be. He said he was 9, I think.
Well, Lil D be bullying me all day.
And me.
You wanna let me eat my food in peace? Nothing.
He won't let me sleep in peace at night.
He always. Oh, y'all already seen the video when he won't go to bed.
So I cooked these myself. We didn't get them from a restaurant or anything. I cooked them. How they taste?
Mom,
good.
Is it a deep freezer?
D, why you eating a shell? No, say I.
You like your first time eating?
Oh my God, y'all, this boy eating a shell. D, what's wrong? Here you eat the meat. Say meat.
Oh, me? Oh, he eating the shell more.
You like the shell?
I'm kind of like a type of corn person because I love corn.
Just let me keep your meat. No. A piece of your meat. No. Mom, can I?
Well, y'all, Tim ain't eating with us because he claimed he don't like seafood.
I don't want to.
And now all of a sudden, because we doing the video, he want to try. But I know experimenting on my food.
No.
I want all mine.
Mom, can I get little sausage? Mom, can I get little sausage?
If he don't eat his sausage at the very end and he start hanging around, maybe.
Okay. Ooh, the potatoes hot.
Ew! He just spit that out. Oh! Mom.
You don't like it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're going to Six Flags and back to Canada.
We going to Six Flags. You might go to Six Flags because come tell the YouTube how you be acting in class and on the bus.
Good.
Can I tell you?
No.
On a bus,
J-Lo!
he got rolled for 5 days.
J-Lo.
No, he got rolled up and suspended for 5 days.
Oh, you can spin it.
Mama.
Oh my. Oh.
J-Lo still going on the bus. Wait, Mom, I'm still going on the bus? For 5 days?
You suspended off the bus.
So I can't go on the bus no more?
After your 5 days, yeah, you can get back on.
Oh, what you say?
But if you get rolled up again, they're going to put you off for good.
Just like,
I was up for like 10 days and then 15 days.
Just like our neighbor. Xavier. He just spending a whole day.
That's why that little boy be eating all by himself because his brother suspended.
Uh-huh.
Daddy, Mama. Wait till
Hey, give me that. Give me. I mean, give me. He gave it to you.
Don't knock my phone on.
I'm not.
That's your eat. Ooh, it's hot.
Very
I
hot.
thought you didn't want it.
You got to try
D.
this muscle.
D. Yum 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 yum.
Ooh, that potato is hot.
But I have to tell y'all something what I learned for science and stuff. So for science, we learn about physical change and chemical change. Chemical change was like a substance change, and physical change is like a substance stay the same. Like tearing up this paper. That's the physical change. That's physical change because it just the same thing. Like it's paper. But chemical change, when you burn paper, it turns to ash. So that's chemical change. See?
Awesome sauce. Thank you for the little lesson in science.
Yay.
How was the milestone? Was the milestone test hard?
Yeah, it was. But every time I see my teacher when Larry come, every time I start doing, like my teacher started coming around me, I started feeling comfortable.
Why?
Because I remember everything that I learned.
I got 2 F's on my STAR math test, and
That's not good.
but I got.
You're going to be in first grade again.
But good thing I got A on my own reading.
No, you got to get an A on everything.
Oh.
Or you're going to be in first grade again, which you probably is. So you need to start doing right.
Today when I went to school, well, yesterday when we were going to school, I've been good the whole week. Okay. Mom, when are we going back to school?
Why? Monday.
Next Monday?
This Monday.
Monday coming up after the weekend.
Yay.
What? I thought what? Oh my.
I can't wait to go back to school.
I can't wait for you to go back to school.
I can't wait for me to go back to school.
I do. What you mean I can't wait? Oh, you gonna gotta call.
Hush.
Let me double
Hush.
check that.
Yeah, Bye.
No, I'm sorry.
Bye.
I'm sorry.
Nope.
Bye.
I'm sorry.
Bye. Cause that ain't had nothing to do with what we were talking about. Get out of my living room.
I'm just eating the whole corn. I'm so hungry. I ate this corn, y'all.
Going in the back room. Good night, people.
No.
You better hush before you get a whipping on camera.
Y'all get the scissors?
Yeah, Mama.
Hmm?
Yeah, Mama.
Can I see what you did wrong?
No.
Oh yeah. Like, what happened? Okay, so every time when Liddy started sleep with me, like last night, get what happened? He came in my room, well our room, cause I sleep with Tim now.
No, I said.
Oh, never mind. Well, he keep on coming in the room with us, and then get in my bed. So he fell on the floor last night, cause he crawled on me, then he crawled on the end, and then he then went back in his room. I was like, what did he do next morning? But I think that's why he went in the room.
Cause you knocked him out of bed.
He crawled. No, well, I think I did knock him off the bed. Come on. Oh.
You trying to get the meat out?
I'm gonna eat one of these mussels.
Ma,
Huh?
baby, why?
Mm-hmm.
They got these
What they taste like?
these mussels, kind of like crab legs, but
Yeah,
it's milk at the same time.
They good?
They good. Wanna try one?
Oh,
What they remind you of?
Mama.
Mm-hmm.
What am I? Watch that other video of my birthday going to Cantobia and Juicy Crab. At the end part, you're gonna see what at Juicy Crab they have these at Juicy Crabs. So at Juicy Crab, we might want to go there, but the services are bad.
Why was the service bad?
I mean, I had to wait too long.
And again, the juicy crab or bad review.
Like they're good, but still,
Mom.
it's just so fun how to say happy birthday to me. But Cantobia is a good place to go.
A fun place to go.
Yeah, fun place. And little kids, I know y'all not gonna get all that candy now. Cause I almost tried to lick the painting. I thought it was actually candy, but when I touched it, it wasn't.
Mm-hmm. Liddy, get up. Get up. Get up. What you doing?
So good. I almost eat them all.
Bye. Stop, D.
Mama.
Hmm.
No. Yeah.
Stop. Why you cut my TV off?
Out.
My TV off.
Oh yeah, I could tell y'all a story of my life, how I've been so far. I mean, I already told y'all first part in school, how they'll be meeting me now and being friends.